pleased to see you and you are still serving up wonderful food.
Nice, crunchy apple, but I think it's a little bit softer, but it's nice and crunchy. And the butter's actually really light. It tastes really nice.
That's a real strong element with you and you. They are constantly pushing the boundaries out, and they're trying to reinvent Chinese cuisine, but with a 21st century approach. Nice.
You know, Jim was my champion Thai from St Andrews in Scotland. It's a great restaurant, but my undercover cameras discovered really surprising problems with service.
What? Ranks has about the most aggressive service
Linda.
I've ever seen in my life.
Will my new secret diner get better treatment?
You know, the beef Penang curry, you don't do it without chicken or a prawn version.
We can do it. Yes,
You can do it?
Yes,
Oh,
chicken
okay.
and prawn.
Could I have prawn?